2014 Yamaha Viper. This one was an XTX in 2014 because they didn't have an MTX. It's had pretty much everything you can think of done to it. It's got ARS arched A-arms, exit shocks, heavy duty front bumper, a full vent kit. It's got an MCXpress 270 turbo kit on it with the head shim, CFR Racing tunnel extension. It's got a 174 3-inch track, 174 CFR Racing skid with a Elka shock in it. They're actually Ice Age rails. Got the stiffeners on them. It's got aftermarket running boards. Got a CFR Riser boost gauge. Got 1,136 miles. Goggle bag.